Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive deep into one of the most exciting developments in the blockchain world, Avalanche. This cryptocurrency has been creating waves in the financial world with its innovative technology and growing influence. From shaking up the financial system to positioning itself as one of the top contenders in the crypto market, Avalanche has proven it's here to stay. If you've been following the markets, you know how crucial it is to have a technical understanding before making any investment decisions. That's why in this video, we're going to analyze the projected performance of Avalanche, focusing on its potential trajectory in the coming years. So, if you're curious about how Avalanche might perform and want some expert insight, stick around. Now, let's get started by talking about Avalanche's current standing. At the moment, the real-time price of Avalanche, or AVAX, to USD is sitting at $21.44. Even though the market sentiment is somewhat mixed right now, the daily trading volume is still quite impressive at over $409 million. These numbers alone should give you a sense of the coin's influence in the market. But where do we see Avalanche heading in the near future? Based on our latest price prediction from a team of experienced analysts, we're looking at some promising moves for Avalanche in 2024. If the market continues to behave as expected, we could see the price of Avalanche rise exponentially. The highest forecast for AVAX in 2024 is set at $30.49, while the lowest estimate is around $23.52. It's important to understand that the average price could stabilize somewhere in between, likely around $27.01. That average price would set the stage for even higher levels as we move into 2025. It's not just about the average, though. Avalanche has the potential to stabilize at a minimum price of $24.78, while the upper limit could see it reaching an impressive $30.49. So, if you're planning on making moves in the next year, keep these numbers in mind. When looking ahead to September of 2024, there's often a seasonal shift that kicks in. The crypto market tends to see renewed activity in autumn, and Avalanche could benefit from this trend. Analysts suggest that the price could aim for an autumn high of $32.71. However, as with most volatile assets, there's always a chance of corrections, and we could see the price dip to a low of $21.26. It's all about staying sharp during those fluctuations. As we move into October, the historical trends suggest that there might be a bit of a slowdown in trading activity. This seasonal adjustment could impact Avalanche's price, though not necessarily in a negative way. Even with a potential slowdown, a conservative estimate puts the coin at a low of $22.60. However, should the bullish sentiment in the market remain strong, there's still room for a surge, with prices possibly climbing to $32.06. Now, as we approach the end of 2024, we're looking at a period where investor sentiment can be a bit all over the place. In November, the price could range from a minimum of $24.53 to a maximum of $27.19. This reflects a mix of cautious optimism and general market fluctuations. But December could be the pivotal month for Avalanche. As the year wraps up, we could see the price range anywhere from $25.70 to $30.01. This final push might just set the tone for how Avalanche will perform as we step into 2025. With 2024 out of the way, what can we expect from Avalanche in 2025? Drawing from historical price data and market trends, analysts are forecasting some interesting movements. By 2025, Avalanche could stabilize around a minimum price of $24.78. But the more exciting news comes from its maximum potential, which could reach an impressive $30.49. As we enter the new year, January 2025 could see Avalanche benefiting from fresh starts and renewed investment. We're looking at a potential swing from $21.80 to an optimistic peak of $28.37. February might bring in some more fluctuations, with prices moving between a low of $22.34 and a high of $29.75. This kind of volatility is expected, but it's essential to keep an eye on market sentiment and investor behavior. Moving forward into March and April, we could see some significant shifts as well. March might be a month of renewal, with the price blooming from a low of $22.89 to a high of $31.12. By April, the market could be in for a mix of peaks and dips, with Avalanche's price potentially dropping to $23.43, only to recover and shoot up to $32.50. May through July of 2025 will be particularly interesting. As the spring season blooms, so could Avalanche. With prices potentially reaching $33.88 in May and climbing even further to $35.26 by June, it'll be a period of vibrant growth. By July, Avalanche might hit the $36.63 mark, though pullbacks to a low of $25.05 are also possible. As we move into the late summer of August and beyond, things could really heat up for Avalanche. Prices could swing from $25.59 to a remarkable $38.01, reflecting heightened market activity. And by September, you can expect Avalanche to range between $26.14 and $39.39. By 2026, we anticipate technological breakthroughs and wider adoption of Avalanche, with prices potentially ranging between $39.84 and a high of $52.98. With its ecosystem maturing, this could be the year that Avalanche solidifies itself as a key player in global finance. Investors should watch this year closely as it could be pivotal for AVAX. And it doesn't stop there. As we move into 2027, 2028, and beyond, Avalanche could see some truly exciting times ahead. By 2030, experts predict that Avalanche could range anywhere between $184.37 and a staggering $224.08. And by 2050, well, the projections are nothing short of astronomical, with some estimates pointing to highs of over $17,000. So, what does all of this mean for you as an investor? Avalanche is clearly a coin to watch, with its incredible potential for growth and technological advancements. If you're looking for a long-term investment, it might just be worth considering Avalanche as part of your portfolio. As always, do your research, consult with experts, and make informed decisions. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Avalanche, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay informed, stay smart, and happy investing.